Do you dream of a job that pays big bucks and lets you flex your natural talent muscles? Well, listen up, because ChatGPT is hiring, and you don't need a degree to earn a whopping $335,000 salary. So why waste another day stuck in a boring job when you could be working for one of the coolest language models on the planet? Join us as we figure out how you can change your life by just chatting with a bot. Let us remember the horrors first. Imagine a world where robots have taken over your dream job and you are left with nothing but a whole lot of free time and shattered dreams. Gone are the days when we needed a human proofreader to catch your typos. Now, even the tiniest mistakes are detected by software like Grammarly, leaving the proofreaders in the unemployment line. And remember the days when the friendly neighborhood delivery driver would bring us our packages with a smile? Well, now they've been replaced by AI drones zipping through the skies without a care in the world. And even the mundane tasks of data entry and bookkeeping have been taken over by robots, leaving us with nothing to do but twiddle our thumbs. But don't lose hope for now. While it may seem like our jobs are disappearing faster than a donut in a police station, there are new opportunities on the horizon. So put down your resume and pick up your imagination. The future belongs to the AI whisperers. Imagine being an AI whisperer, the master of the digital realm, the conductor of the virtual symphony, and the wizard of the AI world. With this title, you could be making more than $250,000, and all you need is to be proficient in the art of writing prompts for AI chatbots. Don't let the fancy name fool you though. AI whisperers are really just prompt engineers who work with conversational chatbots to improve their responses. Just imagine it, earning a salary of up to $335,000 per year, all while working in a field that requires no advanced technical degree. It's the stuff of dreams. And it's not just Silicon Valley tech companies that are hiring for this role. The financial, legal, and insurance sectors are all scrambling to snap up skilled AI whisperers to help them improve their conversational chatbots. It's like being a digital Dr. Dolittle, but instead of talking to animals, you're whispering sweet nothings to AI chatbots. But why is this job in such high demand? It all boils down to the power of AI, which spread faster than a plague, but eventually brought a lot of good in our lives. But even if ChatGPT is a know-it-all, it can't do it all. More and more companies are waiting by the window for skilled workers in flared shirts to clear up the communication gaps with the chatbots. AI whisperers are essentially language experts who can understand how chatbots learn and speak, and who can help optimize their responses to be more natural, accurate, and effective. And what can you do with all that money? The possibilities are endless. You could travel the world in luxury, buy a mansion in Beverly Hills, or invest in a startup. You could even start your own AI consultancy firm and become the go-to expert in the field. Become the master and let others be in awe of your glory. But how did this job come to be, you ask? Well, it was first advertised by Anthropic, a cutting-edge Google-backed startup that's changing the game in AI development. Their job posting for a prompt engineer and librarian in San Francisco caused a stir in the tech world, and since then, the demand for AI whisperers has only continued to grow. So, how can you become an AI whisperer? You need to learn how to stay silent and let the AI guess what you want. Just kidding. Before we begin, take a deep breath, because this job isn't for the faint of heart. First up, you need to binge Sherlock Holmes to acquire some skills of a detective. You'll be tasked with discovering, testing, and documenting best practices for a wide range of tasks relevant to our customers, but with less Deerstalker hats and more Python scripts. Make sure to watch the one with Benedict Cumberbatch. Next, you'll need to be a master builder. You'll have to make your own prompts that are versatile enough to perform any task and easy enough so that everyday users can find the ones they need. You also need to brush up on your teaching skills and pull out those plaid shirts, because you'll be asked to build a set of tutorials and interactive tools that teach the art of prompt engineering to our customers. And if that wasn't enough, you'll also need to be a consultant. You'll work with large enterprise customers on their prompting strategies. To become a successful prompt engineer, you need to have some basic programming skills and feel comfortable writing small Python programs. You also need to be a creative problem solver who loves puzzles and can think outside the box. Plus, you need to be able to look at the big picture and anticipate the needs of an organization, even when things are a bit fuzzy and undefined. You'll also need to have a strong sense of responsibility for making sure that technology is safe and serves society in a positive way. You also need spidey senses to be able to see potential risks before they happen, come up with scenarios to help mitigate them, and provide actionable guidance to stakeholders. In other words, you're like a tech superhero, but instead of fighting crime, you're fighting chatbot disasters. Honestly, they're worse. So, if you're the kind of person who loves solving problems, enjoys tinkering with technology, and wants to make a difference in the world, then becoming a prompt engineer might be the perfect career for you. Just don't forget your cape and mask. Becoming a prompt engineer might just be the career path you've been looking for. It's a job that's in high demand, pays incredibly well, and allows you to work with cutting-edge technology. Just imagine earning a six-figure salary without having to spend years getting a technical degree, or being able to help companies create more effective chatbots that make people's lives easier. What do you think about being an AI whisperer? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel to be part of our tech world. See you next time.